JD the OT here, and I got this product to review. From start to finish, this chair was extremely easy to put together. I thought it would be a lot more difficult than what it actually was. It took about 20 minutes, and it's so comfortable. This thing is pretty amazing. So the armrests, they can go from 110 degrees to 120 degrees, 140 to 160 in their range. So you can just bump them up one at a time. You can do one independently and one down, so that way you could actually sit this way if you wanted to. You could sit with both legs up. If you want to have one leg up like this, you could as well. So I mean, it's extremely versatile in that regard. It gives you about 10 centimeters of lift. So to raise and lower the chair, you're just going to press on this lever that's right down here on the right side. And it can, once again, bump down about 10 centimeters and back up as well. It gives you about 110 to 120 degree rocking motion as well. So you can easily rock and keep yourself engaged while you're working at your desk. So I mean, this is a really nice adjustable chair. You can sit in this in so many different ways. If you're worried about your ergonomics and posture and positioning, this would be a perfect chair. It's really adjustable to anyone and to whatever your comfort is. So I would definitely say check this chair out. It's really easy to put together, extremely comfortable, and it's really what you make of it and customizable to you. So take a look at this.